meron daw sulat kamay ni late Undersecretary Cabral na nag-allocate siya ng 500 million pesos na mga projects daw kay Senator Marcoleta. Bibigay raw ito sa ombudsman. May iba pa ba raw bang evidence versus
Actually, meron pa. Oo. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung request for allocables, although sa tingin ko, hindi proper, pero hindi naman illegal. Kasi dati naman pinapractice. Pero yung pinagbigyan, given due course, yung mga request, maski hindi lahat, again, hindi pa rin illegal yon, pinagbigyan ng DPWH. Pero yung binigyan ka ng items, tapos sinubstandard ng contractor mo, ginos project ng contractor mo, doon may problema. So yun ang hihimay namin. So di ba there's this story, no, mind you, na when he was chairman of the Commission on Appointments Committee on Public Works and Highways, siya kasi nag-confirm kay Secretary Bonoan. And I heard this from other congressmen who were then members of the CA and until now, members pa rin ng CA. Nung nilabas ko yung merong isang congressman na nambukol sa mga kapwa nila congressmen, actually lumapit sila sa akin nung may CA kami. They're egging me, tuloy nyo yan, Senator. Kasi kami yung mga nabukulan.